In this video we are going to see about ICT paper 2 database from May June 2024 paper 2. So task 3 database. We are now going to prepare some reports. Dates must be imported in the format of day, month, year, DMY. All currency value must display the same currency symbol and be set to 2 decimal places. Use database software to input the file j2422 students.csv as a new table. So first we are going to our work area. So right click, go to the new Microsoft Access database. So give your name, center number and candidate number. Open the database, click enable content. Now we want to import this j2422 students.csv in the database. So for that first go to the go to the external data, new data source, from file, text file. So click browse and go to the desktop, first folder and students, open, click OK. Advanced date order should be DMY, click OK. Next, first row contains field names, it should be comma. Next, go to the advanced. Now we want to change this data types. So course code, last name, first name, gender, roll number should be text. So yes, course code, last name, first name, gender, roll number is text. Date of birth should be date and time. So date of birth is date and time, it's correct. So next, street address, area, postcode should be text. So street address, area, postcode should be text, it's correct. Now fees paid is boolean logical. Boolean logical means yes or no data type. So fees paid, it should not be long integer, we want to change into the yes or no. So payment type text, it's correct. So once we set the data type, click OK, click next, and primary key, the primary key, roll number as the, we want to set the roll number as the primary key. So choose my own primary key and go for roll number and click next and finish, close. Now table will be created. This is the data sheet view. Now we want to display the data type in the format which they are asking. So data birth they are asking, it should be in the format dd mmm yy. So we are going for view, design view, we are going to select date of birth. Now go to the format and I going to dd, this one, medium date, this is the format dd mmm yy. So click this. Next, fees paid they are asking yes or no. So once you set the date, save. After that we can go for the fees paid. So select the fees paid. First we are going, they are asking to display yes or no. So we are going to the lookup, the display control is in checkbox, we need yes or no. So we are going for the text box. So again go to the general and it will be yes or no. Now save, go to the view and data sheet view. Now see, fees paid will be yes or no, and date of birth also in that format. Okay, so save the data, we save the data. Now place in your evidence document a screenshot showing the field name, data types and primacy. So we are doing question number 13. So we want to take the screenshot of the data types, field names and the primary key. So go to the design view, take the screenshot of this. and go to the evidence document, and 13 we are going to paste this. Yes, so we finished question number 13. No, question number 13, the second part we are going to do. Import the file j2422 courses.csv as a new table in your database. So we are going to import the new file, save and close. Now go to the external data, new data source, from file, text file. Click browse. They are asking courses. Select the course, click open, click OK. Advanced, it should be DMY. Click OK. Click next. First row contain field names. Tick the box. Click next. Advanced. Now set the data type. So the level should be number. So its level already is integer. It's correct. And the course name to duration text. So course name text till duration. So all the things are text. So now course cost they are giving number currency, so we want to change into the currency. Start date they are asking date with time, it's correct, and click OK. Next, choose my own primary key and set the course ID as the primary key. So course ID as the primary key. Click next, finish, close. So courses is there. So this is the data sheet view. Now go to the home, view, design view. So in this they are asking level number should be integer. So it's already is integer, it's correct. So course cost should be currency 2 decimal places. So course cost should be currency, and decimal places they are asking 2. Yes, and save this. Next, start date, date and type, day, month, year. Okay, start date, format, day, month, year. So this is correct. So medium date, save, and see the question paper. They are asking the evidence document of this. So take the screenshot of this. In question number 13 we can place. After question number 13 we can paste. In the question number 13, in the step 13 we want to paste. So now create a one-to-many relationship between course ID in the course table and course code in the students table. So save this and close. Now go for the database tools, relationship, add the two tables, one and students, and after that close, make it as a bigger. All the fields should be fully visible. Now move this. Now they are asking course ID in the course table, course code in the students table. Okay, course ID in the course table, course code. Okay, so just drag course ID to the course code and click create. Now double click this, move right side and take the screenshot of the relationship. So question number 14. So question number 14 we are pasting the evidence document, relationship, and save the evidence. Yes. Now enter the following details as a new records in the students table. Okay, so we are going to open the students table, click OK, save and close. Now we are going to open the students table. To create a new record, down we want this yellow color, we are going to click the new blank record. So we are going to type the record. So course code TAGL 204. So we are pasting. So next, the last name Peacock. So we want to type the last name in the student table. So the first name Luca, so it will be the first name. Gender, it will be the male. So roll number or 0561. So date of birth 096/1988. So we are going to copy this and paste. Street address 54 per Shoreland. So we are going to type this. Yes. Now area Fremarsh. So we want to type this. Now post code PB517EH. So we want to type this. Fees paid, no, it's okay. And payment type, it should be check. So check. Yes. It's correct. Now save the table. So we add the new record in the student table and we save this. Now question number 16. Use in fields from both the table produce the tabular report. So and in this question they are asking to create the tabular report. So first for the report, first we want to create the query. So query, we want to create the query for these fields. So show only the fields, roll number, first name, last name. Okay. So save this and close. Now go to the create query wizard, simple query wizard, and add the fields. So roll number, first name. So roll number, first name, next last name and date of birth. So last name and date of birth, course name, level. Course name is not there, so we are going to another table. Course name is there and level is there. Fees paid, payment type. So fees paid is not there, so we are going to the student table. Fees paid, payment type. Course cost, yes, course cost is not there. Go to the courses, course cost. Yes. Now next, late payment. So late payment is not in the course table and also in the students table. So what we want to do, we want to create the new field called late payment. So we want to create the new field. So click next, next, and give this as the query 1 and modify the query design and finish. So this is the design view of the query. So at last, in the question paper they are asking create the new field called late payment. So we want to create the new field called late payment, which is calculated at the runtime. This field must display the new course after 2% increase has been applied. Use course cost multiply by 1.02. So we want to multiply the course costs by 1.02 and format this field to display as the currency. So I am going to create the new field, late payment. How they are given, the same like you want to type, same like. So L and P is small letter, so we want to give lowercase. So after late type in the field name colon and they are asking course cost multiplied by 2. So cos cost multiplied by 1.02. So we want to type cos underscore small c cos, because we can see the name here, cos cos, multiply by 1.02. 2 percentage means, if you converted means, so it will be 1.02. okay, yes, and run this. So we got the late payment. Now they are asking it should be displayed in the currency. So go to the property sheet and format and give us the currency, and the decimal places they did not mention. We want to check the formatting above. Decimal places, see, all currency value must be same currency and set to 2 decimal places. So we want to read the question very carefully. So decimal places, it should be 2 decimal places, and run now it will come like this. Yes, so now we create the new field. Now we were going for the criteria. Select the records where fees paid is no. So again go to the view, design view. So I'm going for the fees paid criteria, it should be no. Next, payment type is check or credit card. Okay, so the payment type check or credit card, how they are given, C capital, credit space card. Okay, now run. So once we applied, we will get 46 records. See, the fees paid, all the things are no. Payment type will be check and credit card. Okay, so this is the way to create the query. So now we create all the queries. Now we are going for the report. To create the report, we want to add the query in the report. So close all, go to the create report wizard, add all the query. You should not add the table in the report, you want to add the query. Now click next. They are asking tabular report in the beginning of the question paper, so they are asking tabular report. Yes, next. And orientation they are given landscape, so we want to give the landscape and click next. And title, they are given search charges for outstanding fields, so I'm going to give the title this one and modify the report design and finish. So close the property sheet, and in the question they are asking it displayed in the large font size fully visible at the top of the page. So it should be large font size, so I'm going to select this, go to the home, I'm going to give Arial black and I'm going to give 24, so I'm going to make it as a bigger. Okay, yes, good. So we finish this also. Yes, now sort the data into the ascending order of we want to give as your name, center number, candidate number in the footer of the report, so it appears in the same position of the every page. So they are asking every page, so we want to insert our name, center number, candidate number on the page footer. So I don't want this now means date, don't want, so delete this. This is the page number, we don't want, so delete this. Now go to the report design, click the label control and paste there and type your name, center number and candidate number. Yes, and after that once I gave, so we finish this question. Yes, now after this I'm going to the layered view, so some field is not visible, so I'm going to make it. So see, all the things so many spaces there, so I'm going to make this first name, so many space, and check whether all the data is fully visible. Yes, all the data is fully visible. So we can move little bit, okay. Last name also, so make last name, adjust the fields. Yes, now date of birth, I'm going to date of birth little bit, and the value is not fully visible, so make course name also is not fully visible. Yes, now check whether all the things are fully visible. Yes, now level, I'm going to make little bit, and fees paid, so level also I can move little bit, and fees paid also I can move. Now payment type is bigger, we need up to this, so I can move. Course cost, I can move this, and I can make little bit, and fees payment, late payment also I can. So dollar symbol is not fully visible now. Yes, no, level is not fully visible. Yes, now we make the changes for the report. So now they are asking sort the data into ascending order of level, sort the data into the ascending order of level and descending order of course name. So go to the report layout design, go to the group and sort, click add a sort, so select field ascending order of select the level, smallest to largest is ascending order. So now they are asking another sort, so click add a sort, ascend. Now they are asking descending order of course name, so course name, it should be descending order, means is it on top. Yes, we did this. Now save and close the dialog box of the sort. So we did this. Now fit a single page with and print on 2 pages. So go to the page, no, go to the home, view, print preview, it should be 2 pages. Yes, like this. Now select the print and select the printer, and you can take the print. So this is question number 16. Yes. Now question number 17, use fields from both tables, produce labels which. So now in question number 17 they are asking to create the labels. So for the labels, again we want to create the query wizard, click OK. Now we want to add only this fields, course name, so course name, it's in the courses, so select the course name. Next, course type start date, so course type start date, first name last name, so first name last name in the students, so first name last name, street address, so street address, area postcode, so area postcode. Okay, click next, next, and give name as the query 2, query 2, and modify the query design and finish. Now we add these records. Okay, we add these fields in the query. Now we are going for the criteria. Select the records where course name includes the text crop. Includes means we want to apply the criteria like this: star, crop, star. like this we want to type. So going for course type criteria, course type, sorry, course name criteria star crop star. Yes, done. Next course type is university. Course type, how they are given, U should be capital, so university and run. Yes, so all the things should be, yes, fully visible. Yes, it's correct. Now we can go for yellow, no, green. So we finish this. Yes, now we are going for the labels. To save the query, don't close the query, go to the create and click the labels, and it should be metric, and or the size they are asking 99.0. 99.0 we want to check one by one. We cannot type like this. Yeah, 99.0 and 57.0. 99.0 and 59. Yeah, 57, this one. So 99.0 and 57.0, so it's correct. Yes, yeah, 57.0, and click next. And next they did not ask anything. Down, print in port A with page size of 21 centimeter by 29.7 centimeter. They did not ask anything. So once we give the dimension, click next, and we are going for this like same like we want to display the label. So course name, give the course name, press enter. Next they are asking, course type, yes, dash, and see how they are given. So little bit space, dash, space, start date. So select start date, press enter. First name, last name, so first name, last name, press enter. Street address, area, postcode. Street address, enter. Area, enter. Postcode. Yes, we add all the fields. Now have your name, center number, candidate number on the left at the bottom of each label. So at the bottom, this is the bottom, this is left side, and this is right side. So on the left side I'm going to type my name, center number, and candidate number. Okay, so click next, and click next. So click next and make it as a labels. Don't give the query, and modify the label design and finish. So this is the thing. So now they are asking modify the label so that only the first two lines are displayed in larger font size. So first two lines, so course name and first two lines should be larger font size. So select this, go to the home, give Arial black, and make it as a larger 14. So now see, it's not fully visible. So we can do 8, we can do one by one. I'm going to select all the things, and I'm going to move little bit down. Okay, so course name I'm going to make it as a bigger, and this one also I'm going to make it as a bigger. So course name I'm going to select, I'm going to give 12. So again I'm going to select all the things and I'm going to make little bit down, and course name little bit down, and I'm going to make it. And we want to check whether they're asking center. Yeah, center align. So select this center align and give it as a bold. Okay, yes. So now go to the view and print preview. Yeah, so this is the labels. We did the labels. Make sure the date on is not overlap and save and print your label. So go to the print, select the printer name and you can click OK. So next, yes, so this is May June 2024 variant 2 paper 2 database. Thank you.